up, you guys?
Welcome back to Chiq Blend. My name is Richenza Marie.
And I'm Qui.
So today we have a special video for you guys. Woo! We have a Louis Vuitton unboxing that we are going to be doing for you guys. So this is actually my birthday gift.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, thank you,
But
thank you.
happy birthday,
Oh my
Moonlight. Happy birthday to you.
Crazy. So I have literally been waiting to do this video, to open this box up. Usually Qui opens up all my boxes, y'all. She's so sneaky. Like, she will open up a box and tape it back like it's never been opened.
I do that all the time.
All the time. So I had to tell her, this is for our unboxing video. Do not touch my box. And she did good, you guys. So we are
Or
just...
did I?
You bet not open this bag.
I'm playing. I didn't open it.
So with this purse, Qui kept asking me what I wanted for my birthday, and this is the only thing that I said I wanted. So Qui, what did you do, baby?
I called in the sales associate and we did that thing, but open up the bag.
Oh, let's go.
So they can see what it is, and then you can tell your birthday story.
Okay, are you gonna hold it for me?
Yeah, I'll hold
it. We'll put it right in the middle.
Oh,
it's so big. This is a shipping box, you guys. So open this up, and this is the first time that I'm actually seeing this purse in person, at least.
Oh.
Dang. Okay, Christina. Christina is our essay, you guys. So when I first opened it up, she sent the holiday packaging.
Yay!
It's so pretty
cute. This year.
It's so pretty.
And if you guys don't know, every year Louis Vuitton has a holiday packaging, and every year is different.
It's different. So this is really pretty. And then in the inside, of course, is
that it?
Yep, that's all. I just have like my receipts and everything in the envelope. So this is the Louis Vuitton box that it comes in. This is the classic boxing, and she put a little ribbon on it. And thanks, Christina, girl.
Aww.
Okay, so let's open this baby up. I hate taking my ribbons off.
Why? I can tie it back for you.
I just feel like after the ribbon is gone.
Oh, you put this on your Christmas tree.
Oh, I never thought about doing that.
Yeah, you can make ornaments out of that.
That's pretty cool. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And I am going to flip it open.
Oh.
And when I first open it, it's inside of the dust bag. I am so excited for this.
Me too.
I wonder how they have it. Do they have it separate?
Hold it up so
or
they
together? Okay. I need help. Okay, there we go. Oh, it got like a little, what is that?
It's a little stain come off though.
Yeah.
See, that's why I told you to open the bag to check it just in case. That's okay though.
Oh, did it come out?
Yeah. There you go.
So this is the larger bag. Oh, it is so freaking cute. So I'm just gonna do it up close for you guys. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's so pretty. And then this is the detailing of the strap, and it has the Louis Vuitton in the front, and it goes all the way across.
And it's on both sides, right? It looks like it's, yeah.
It's on both sides. So it's on the front and it's on the back.
Ooh.
And it has the gold. I know, right? This is so pretty. It has the gold detailing. So in the inside of the purse, it has the brown canvas that's in there. It has one pocket. Super cute.
You're doing great, sweetie.
Thank you. Okay, and the second piece that I'm gonna unbox or take the dust bag off is the mini pochette. Ooh, the chain is just so cute.
I love this.
So freaking cute. So I'm gonna do it up close on this one. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It also has the dark brown canvas. No pockets though. And then last but not least, I have the coin purse. And what's so cute about this is that it has the monogram, the large print on the front. And then if you flip it around on the back, it has the small print. And on the inside, let's see what that looks like. Oh, this is so freaking cute. And it has the lighter canvas on the inside. And this is what the purse looks like in its entirety. Super cute. This is the side profile. And I love it. So when this purse first came out, the price was $15.50 and now it's $16.40. So they did do a price increase, but it is sold out in all of the stores. I literally, before I told Qui that I wanted this for my birthday, I called 4 stores. I called LA, I called the Vegas, Las Vegas, Atlanta, Indianapolis. I called so many stores and it was sold out. And all I had to do was just tell my sister, because she called her essay and got the bag literally what was 1 week. So I have been looking for this purse for a month, and I told her, like, I want this for my birthday. She's like, okay, we're gonna get this for your birthday. I'm like, but it's sold out everywhere. She's like, I don't care, we're gonna get this purse.
Big sister to the rescue.
That's what I'm talking about. So I'm actually pretty happy that I got it, and thank you, Qui, for my birthday gift. I love her.
You the best. You meaning me. I'm the best.
Is that how Khaled says it?
He be like, you the best. No, I'm the best. What do you say?
I'm the best.
I don't know what he be saying.
We the best.
Oh, we the best. Yeah. That's what he said, girl. We the best.
Yes.
So let me ask you some questions that the people may want to know. Okay, so the first question is, where did you first see this bag?
So the first person that I actually saw this bag on is Rihanna, and I'm gonna add a clip of her.
Oh, add it right
yes,
there.
Rihanna. So usually when I see celebrities wear certain things, I don't go for it because usually it's trendy and it's not something that I could personally wear every day with my particular wardrobe. So when I seen her with it, I saw the bag and I zoomed in on it. I was like, screw it.
Okay.
So, zoomed in on it.
So the next question, you've seen a lot of influencers with the bag. So how do you feel about purchasing a bag that you know people have probably gotten for the free? And when I say free, I mean free 99. Okay?
Personally, I don't care. I feel like if I like a bag and it's going to be a staple in my wardrobe, I don't care who has it. I don't care how many people are rocking it. If I want it, I'm going to buy it regardless of who has it on, no matter if they got it for free or not. Because I'm going to spend my money regardless on something that I love. If I don't like it, I'm not going to buy it. I don't care who has it and who got it for free. Period.
What made you actually purchase the bag?
So, of course, look at the profile. This bag is just so amazing. And it is multi. You can wear it multiple different ways. So that instantly caught my eye because I'm like, I can switch it up. I can wear it with different straps if I wanted to wear just one particular bag. If I wanted to do the if I wanted to do the pochette by itself or the mini pochette by itself, I could do that. So for me, it was more so of it being dual purposes or multi-purpose. So I really like that. So
where do you see yourself wearing this bag?
Freaking everywhere.
Oh my goodness.
I'm wearing it on my dates.
Go ahead.
Yeah, so I'm going to be wearing it on dates. I'm going to be dressing it up. I'm going to dress it down. And this is like going to be an everyday staple for me because I'm always in black. So black goes with everything. So yeah, I could shop in. You can wear this bag anywhere.
And this I think will be really, really great because we've been like in and out of town a lot. And not to mention we've been going to a lot of concerts where they don't want you to have bigger bags. So
Yeah.
taking even this would be so perfect. So
yes, in festivals, we are like festival fanatics. So this will be perfect for that.
last question,
Okay.
random question. Do you think this bag is actually worth the price?
So with all of these together, I do feel like it is worth the price. And if I had to purchase it again, I would. Period.
Okay. Period, Pooh.
Period.
That's what she said. Period, Pooh. Okay. That sounds good and it looks good. I'm sure it's going to look good on you. I think that's it. Is that it?
All
Do you
right,
have
yeah.
anything else you want to say?
So if you guys like this video, put down below if you would actually purchase this bag. If you like it, leave some comments down below. Make sure you guys subscribe right now and thumbs up, and we will see you guys next week.